The air is filled with brilliant ideas in Slovenia, the land of fantastic business opportunities, where experienced professionals at DUOL are changing the future of structure technology with unique and versatile halls. As a leader in the inflatable domes industry, DUOL has been developing quality infrastructures and achieving a legacy of innovation, quality and service for over 30 years. To date, the company has built over 2,000 covered objects worldwide, including sports facilities and industrial and agricultural domes. With custom-made and multifunctional structures that accommodate extreme weather conditions anywhere, anytime, DUOL is empowering local communities.
Fresh ideas and customer satisfaction fuel us like nothing else. From the very beginning, our goal was to always provide the very best air-supported domes that meet the specific needs of our customers. And that's why we became the worldwide leader in air dome technology. We always consider environment and sustainability when designing and constructing air domes. With less material, using pre-assembled and lightweight components, we strive to create a better tomorrow.
Because of continuous innovation in their design solutions, DUOL received prestigious economic awards and is even planning to set the first habitat on Mars. With creative solutions such as the Sustainable Eco-Dome, designed to fully utilize solar and geothermal energy, DUOL is creating completely energy self-sufficient structures. By being green, creative and smart, DUOL is an example of the alternative Slovenian economy and one of its valued ambassadors. Discover the spirit of creativity in Slovenia, a land of infinite potential for your business. Make the most of it.